Everyone has heard about quick money-making pyramid schemes, but have you heard about quick money-making AI tools? The only difference between both is that AI tools actually make you money, unlike those pyramid schemes. All you have to do is sit at home, do a little research, and you're ready to go. But how do you find the right AI tools for yourself? Well, that's the tricky part. But in this video, we have compiled a list of 6 best and underrated AI tools to get you started on that cash flow. So hit that subscribe button and start making some dollars. 6. Trade ideas. Investing and trading stocks is one of the easiest ways to get rich. In the old days, you would have to become a wolf on Wall Street to do that, but not anymore. You have what they didn't have: artificial intelligence. Many people don't know, even professional brokers, that your risk chances are actually minimized if you use an automated trading system. With the advent of AI, almost all trading applications have integrated AI into their functionalities. Now, if you're one of the people who find the world of trading fascinating, we're going to introduce you to a tool that many people don't know about: trade ideas. Even if you're one of those people who don't want to put their hands in all these brokerage technicalities, once we tell you what this gem of a tool can do, you'll be sold. As we said, Trade Ideas uses AI to provide you with real-time information about the stock market. But it doesn't just do that. To make the app beginner-friendly, it'll also give you smart ideas about where you should invest your money. Using AI technology, it gathers insights by evaluating every piece of information available about a stock. From news articles to social media, it'll collect clues from everywhere and crunch the data to provide you with the latest patterns and trends in the market. But why is Trade Ideas better than any other AI-powered investment app? The coolest part about this app is that it doesn't throw generic suggestions at you. Most apps take the one-size-fits-all approach. However, Trade Ideas is more personalized. If you're someone who's just stepping into the investment world, the app might suggest a mix of blue-chip stocks or bonds for you. On the other hand, if you're a risk taker, it might suggest high-growth stocks and options. Even more, Trade Ideas goes beyond suggestions. It gives you real-time alerts to keep you in the loop, and its backtesting feature allows you to see how your ideas would have played out in the past. So if you're looking for an AI money-making tool that requires a bit of investment, but gives you promising returns, Trade Ideas is just for you. 5. Charles Schwab. Now, if you're sold on becoming a part of the investing world, we have another AI tool that would be right up your alley. Meet Charles Schwab, the undiscovered AI investment platform that has something for everyone. Similar to Trade Ideas, Charles Schwab has all the DIY investing options. But one additional feature this app provides you with to make your life easier than ever is its robo-advisor. It has all the tools to manage your portfolio and give you personalized advice. But if you don't want to do anything, you can let the robo-advisor do the work for you. You just have to specify your needs and then forget about it. Schwab's robo-advisory service is called Schwab Intelligent Portfolios. It'll provide you with automated portfolio management based on your goals and risk tolerance. With this, the best part about Schwab is that it's all about saving cash. It has got low fees and commissions, which means that more money stays in your pocket. It's not free, of course, but it's worth the investment. You can take your side hustle up a notch. 4. Scribe AI. Enough about investments. What about some other AI tools to help you make some money? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Are you familiar with the hassle of paperwork? If you're a corporate worker, then this question must sound painful to your ears. But we've got just the tool that'll take your pain away, and fast. Scribe AI is your AI work buddy that'll rescue you from all your redundant tasks. The buzz about Scribe AI is that this tool will take all the hassle out of documenting your work processes, which means you don't need to spend hours and hours on writing and jotting down every tiny step. It'll create how-to guides, SOPs, training manuals, and any other document you need. This way, you don't get bogged down by paperwork, and you can increase your work productivity by almost up to 25%. What does this mean? It means you have more time to focus on high-impact tasks, tasks that'll earn you your money. The best feature of Scribe AI is that you can customize anything you need in any way you want. All you need to do is instruct Scribe about what you need. From titles to hiding sensitive information, Scribe will do it for you. In a nutshell, Scribe AI will make your work life simpler, more efficient, and a lot less repetitive. 3. Boomy AI. The next app on our list is for our sideline musicians. Do you want to create your own music but you don't have the resources to do it? Well, fret no more, because we present to you Boomy. With this AI tool, you can create original music and put it on streaming platforms to monetize your creation. Yep, no need to wait for production companies to give you your big break. First of all, it's user-friendly so much so that even if you've never touched music production before, Boomy will make whipping up instant music a piece of cake. Then when you're done with the creation process, this app has an already established global jamming community where artists from around the globe collaborate and explore the possibilities of generative music. Furthermore, Boomy has tons of features to customize your music creation. You can add vocals, try out different music styles, and upload them to streaming platforms to monetize your tunes. You can even use it to create tracks for albums. Yep, you can add music spice to your videos or podcasts without worrying about copyright issues. Now, if you're wondering whether this tool requires you to invest, we've got some good news. Unlike other AI tools, Boomy comes with a free plan that lets you create, edit, and customize songs with a ton of available tools. You know what that means? You can get started right away. When you're comfortable enough, you can upgrade to the Creator plan, which is priced at just $10. And if you're going all in, the Pro plan at $29.99 a month gives you the VIP treatment with unlimited saves, quick release reviews, and more. 2. Descript AI. Next up, we have a tool for people who are in the content creation game. If you're a YouTube professional, you'd know one of the most difficult tasks when it comes to maintaining a channel is editing long-form videos. Most of the time it hurts your consistency and makes you lose out on some extra money. Well, you can say farewell to the old-school, time-consuming editing grind. Instead, say hello to Descript AI. Descript is a game changer when it comes to editing videos and audio. What does this tool bring to the table that other more well-known tools don't? Descript is one of the only AI tools that uses a document editor approach to video and audio editing. This document editor first transcribes your files so you can edit every spoken word directly in the document. Now, here's the cool part. Descript employs a document editor, a fresh approach to video and audio editing. Plus, if you're one of those people who find themselves discovering multiple errors in their recordings after everything is done, then Descript AI is a lifesaver. With its overdub voice cloning, you don't need to redo your audio bits where you messed up. Instead, you can feed Descript your voice sample, and it'll automatically create an AI clone of your voice or your guests. Then, you can use the editor to type in the missing audio and let Descript do its work. Isn't it so much simpler and quicker? You don't have to waste your days on editing and recording when you can upload your content faster than ever. 1. Jasper AI. We saved the best one for last, and it would be a shame to not mention Jasper AI in the underrated money-making AI tools. Jasper AI is your creative companion that'll help you earn money by creating original content for both long and short articles. You can earn money through content writing services, blog monetization, and even article sales. This tool is that good. Jasper AI uses machine learning algorithms to produce human-like text, which automatically speeds up your content creation process for everything. But this tool isn't about speed. It's more about grasping context and creating texts that flow naturally. Unlike ChatGPT, it gives you more personalized content rather than generic prose. Plus, this tool features a range of templates for every kind of content. You can create blog intros and product descriptions, or just seek ideas if you're struggling with writer's block. It's the perfect tool for you to cash in. Which tool will you be trying out first? Comment down below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more content like this.